Namaste dear friends, welcome to the class. We will begin with standing stretchings. Stand on the mat. Your both feet are together. Both hands over the head, interlock the fingers and stretch. Stretch the whole body. Stretch it. Exhale, release your hands. We will still begin with Vrikshasana. Tree posture, your left knee straight, right foot up, right feet against your left thigh. If this is difficult for you, you can place your right feet on your calf muscles or your feet, but not on your knees. That is not good. Or your lower leg or thighs. Hold it. Place the palms together in prayer position in front of you. Hold it and breathe. If you have more flexibility and balance, slowly your both hands up and look forward. Your palms are together in prayer position. Hold it and breathe. Hold it for 30 seconds and breathe. Ten more seconds. And slowly your both hands down and slowly your right leg down. We'll be doing the left leg. Bend your left knee, left foot against your right thigh. You can place your hands in prayer position, or you both hands up, look forward. And slowly, both hands down and slowly, your left leg down. We'll do the next yoga posture, Ashta Chandrasana. Your both feet are together, both hands on your hip. Now your right leg back. Then bend your left knee parallel to the heels. And slowly right heel up. Balance on your right toe. Upper body straight. Look forward. This is a base position. If you have balance, slowly your both hands up in prayer position and look forward. Hold it and breathe. Exhale, both hands down. Slowly come to the center. We will be doing the other side. Right toe pointing out, left toe pointing in. Then bend your right knee parallel to the heel, left heels up. Hold on your hip. Find a balance in this base position and slowly both hands up. And slowly both hands down and slowly come to the center. Very good. Again, your feet are together. Now bend your right knee parallel to hip. Hold your right knee with your right hand. Turn the upper body towards the right side. Right hand shoulder level up. Look at the right fingers. Hold it and breathe. Deep inhale and exhale slowly your right leg down. We'll do the left leg. Bend your left knee, hold your left knee with your right hand, turn the upper body towards to the left side, balance in the position and look at the left fingers. Inhale deeply and exhale. Slowly come to the center. Now, your both legs are wide apart. Your toes are facing forward. And inhale your both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Place your hands on the mat. If you have less flexibility, hold in the position and look forward. Then if you have more flexibility, bring your palms on the mat and slowly bend the elbows and slowly move forward. Hold it for a few seconds and breathe. Inhale, come up, look forward and slowly come to the center. Just lie on your abdomen. Your feet are together. Both hands side of your hip. Palms are facing down. Slowly as you exhale, your head up, chest up and your both legs up, look forward. Exhale down, we'll doing two more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, hold it for 10 seconds and breathe. Exhale down. And slowly, your both hands under your shoulder. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, slowly sit on your heels in child pose. Inhale, head up, chest up and lie on your back. Your palms are facing down near to your hip and bend your knees. Your feet are flat on the mat. Your feet are hip width apart. You can hold your ankles with your both hands if it is possible. If you have the legs flexibility, you can place your hands on the mat. Palms are facing down. Now as you inhale, slowly your hip up, chest up. Bring the hips up, exhale down. We'll do 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. 1 more time. Inhale up, hold in the position and breathe. Slowly exhale down. Stay in the same position. Then bring the knees towards the chest. Hug your knees with your both hands. Deep inhale. As you exhale, head up, chest up. And bring the head forward. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, head down, chest down. Your both hands down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, both legs down. Now your both hands shoulder level. Then bend the right knee. Place the right feet above your left thigh. Hold your right knee with your left hand. Deep inhale. As you exhale, bring the right knee towards to the left side and look at the right finger. Hold it and breathe. Remember to keep the both shoulders on the mat. Inhale, come up. Exhale, right leg down. You'll do the left leg, bend the left knee. Place the left foot above your right thigh. Hold your right knee with your left hand. Exhale to the right and look at the left fingers. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Again, your feet are together. Turn the body to one side and slowly come up and sit up. Again, your both legs outstretched. Then bend the right knee, right foot outside of your left knee, right hand behind your back, upper body towards the right side. Now slowly, as you inhale, your left arm up, bend your left elbow near to your right knee. Then look at the right shoulder. Hold it and breathe. Inhale up, exhale down. We'll do other side. Right leg stretch, bend your left knee, left foot outside of your right knee, left hand behind your back, upper body towards the left side. Bend your right elbow closer to left knee, and look at the left shoulder. Inhale up, exhale down. And your both feet are together. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Hold on your feet or your toes or your calf muscles, whichever is comfortable for you, and bend forward. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, both hands down. Stand on your knees. Your knees are hip width apart. Support your back with your both hands. Inhale, stretch the hip forward and look up to the ceiling. And exhale down. And slowly sit on your mat. Both hands on your knees, your palms are facing up. In Chin Mudra, close your eyes. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time, deep inhalation and exhalation. Slowly bring the palms together in paired position. Open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much for practicing yoga. Wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.